Good morning. My name is Blaine Stacy and I'm with the Oklahoma Conservation Commission. I am a soil health specialist and I'm here today to talk to you about our friends the pollinators. Why are pollinators important, you might ask? Well, I like to eat. So did you know that 1 in 3 bites of food you take are directly related to pollinator insects? Pollinators, they affect the apples, the oranges, many fruits and vegetables that you and I both enjoy. So here at the State Department of Agriculture pollinator plot, we are basically trying to generate habitat for pollinators that we need to pollinate our foodstuff. I have with me Katie with the Nature Conservancy.
Yes.
We have here today some lovely pollinator plants. And there's also some programs available for pollinators that we could incorporate landowners of all aspects to participate in.
Absolutely. So there is a group called the Oklahoma Monarch and Pollinator Collaborative, and it is a combination of 48 organizations statewide that are working together to generate resources and programs, materials, all the different types of information that all Oklahomans will need in order to get involved. From producers all the way to tribes, residents, teachers, students, everybody. There's something everyone can do to help out with the pollinators. And for this program, one of the products that we're working on is producing a pollinator strip program. So it's in the works, and if all the pieces come together, then this will be an incentivized program to encourage producers to implement pollinator strips on their property and be able to reap those benefits. So we should have that finalized by the end of this summer. And then also we're working on some documentation, best management practices guides, and a number of other resources. And there are several ag-based organizations that are involved: the Conservation Commission, the Oklahoma Association of Conservation Districts, Kerr Foundation, the list goes on and on. And so we're really excited about these programs and getting everybody involved. And then if people want to learn more, we do have a website that we just launched in April, and you may have already heard about it. It's called Okies for Monarchs. It's a lot of fun, and it's a place where anyone and everyone can get information, and you can even if you're already doing something, you can go on there and show off what you're already doing. Check out Blaine's garden. It's already on there, and I think it's called the Stacy Garden, so you'll see a picture of his, and if you've got one, you can upload photos of yours. But even better, there are lists of plants that you can plant to help the monarchs and other pollinators. So when you garden for monarchs, you're helping all pollinators. So yeah, lots of great stuff going on there.
Monarchs are unique in that they require milkweeds to lay their eggs on, for their caterpillars to host on. And kind of some of our management practices, either overuse of herbicide or removing some of these flowered plants from rangeland, from cropland, is really what's hurting the monarch butterfly. They just don't have access to their host plant in order to lay their eggs and get their caterpillars a good head start in life. So anytime we can incorporate any kind of milkweed, green milkweed, butterfly, swamp, several different varieties of milkweed, all native to Oklahoma, that we can throw out here, is good for those monarch butterflies.
I was just going to add that on that okiesformonarchs.org website, the plant lists that we have are organized regionally. So if you're in the western part of the state, there's a list for western Oklahoma, central and eastern, to match with the soil types out there, because different milkweed grows better in different parts of the state. That's
exactly right. Some like the wetter portions of eastern Oklahoma. Some enjoy the high and dry west. It takes all the guesswork out of it. You've got a list to look at, pinpoint where your location is, and get to growing.